Hello friends, today I solve the two question. First is easy and next is I don't know it's a easy or it's a medium. But I prefer to at least a medium or hard level question. Uh, and this is a easy level question. And it's a good question. So that question is a given an integer array nums, return the third distinct maximum number in the array. If the third maximum does not exist, then the return maximum number. Okay, you know, in a given in a given an integer array nums, it's the array, and all the element in the array is integer given, and the return the third distinct maximum number. Third distinct maximum number in an array, then the third distinct maximum number. If a third distinct maximum number are present, then return this, otherwise return the maximum number. It's okay. Third distinct maximum number array. If the maximum number does not exist, if the third maximum numbers are not present, only two the second maximum number are present, first maximum number are present in an array, five elements are present, and five all elements are same, then the return same, only one in any element, because all elements are same. And that if array like a 1 1 1 2 2, five elements are present in array, then what is the return? Third distinct maximum element are present, 2 or 1. It's a only two distinct element are present, so that's not a third distinct third distinct element are present, then return a maximum element to this. It's okay. This is a question. And after that, go through example, and what I ask the example nums 3 to 1, it's a then output is 1, because 3 is the maximum, then 2 is the second maximum number, and then 1 is the third maximum number, then the return is third maximum number. 1 and 2 is the maximum number, then 1 is the second maximum number, and third maximum number are not present, then return the maximum number of all all the elements in a array. And third array, 3 is the first maximum number, and both two are the second maximum number, and 1 is the third maximum number, so the return 1. It's a third maximum number. Not a 2 are comes in 2 times, so that the 3 is first maximum, in this 2 is second, and this 2 is third, and then return 2. These are not they are not explained in this question. It's not a correct answer. Only distinct elements, not if two or three elements are present, same elements are present, then consider only one element, not all elements in the maximum. So it's okay. Then write a code. First of all, sort the array. It's okay. Then length, length. If what is if n equal to 0 or n equal to 1, n equal to 2, only 0 1 2. I think if a element are empty, if a element are only one element are present, if a element are two in an array, two element are present, 1 2, it's okay. Then it's a null, it's a nothing, anything are present. In this only one element are present, in this one or two element are present. Then the return this, then the return this, and this time nothing, it's a return 0. I think not in a example or in a question not consider, but I think it's a 0. So that sorry, return nums -1. It's okay, it's good. After that j is equal to n-1, it's a good. K equal to 1, it's a good. Distinct element equal to distinct elements are 0, it's a good. Then take a one loop, j is greater than 0. Okay, if nums of j equal to nums of j, consider a one bracket j -1, it's fine. Then if nums are equal, then distinct element are add, it's a fine. One thing are if k is less than equal to 3, this else k is equal to this j -1 is It's a fine. If n minus 3 minus I is less than 0, return it's okay. Nums of n minus 1. It's good. Otherwise return not I, D, distinct element. Nums of n minus 3 minus D. It's a fine. If is this something a mistake in this part. N minus 1 distinct element is increases. If equal to, then distinct element are increases, otherwise k is increases. And if k is less than equal to 3, then it's otherwise, else break. It's a cool. Fine. Submit this code. It's okay. I 1 minute. Okay. Then good. Then it's cool. Then go through second question, Leetcode. And it's a medium level type question. First are easy and second are medium level type question. It's a good question. It's a array type question. The question is the longest consecutive sequence. It means sequence means that's 1, after that 2, after that 3. It's a sequence. 2, 3, 5. It's a sequence. All three number in a sequence form? Not, because 4 are missing. If 4 are considered, then it's a sequence, and otherwise it's a not sequence. And in this 2, 3, 5, what is the longest sequence? 2 and 3. 2 are longest sequence. It's a good. Okay. Given a sorted array, number return the length of the longest consecutive element sequence. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the longest sequence. Then return are 4. Okay. In an example, in this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 200. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a sequence. Then return 4. In this 0, 2 times a 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then sequence, then the number of sequence of element in array is 9. So that 0 are comes in two times, then only one are considered, and it's also sequence. It's good. It's important. It's important. Then write a code. First of all, sort the array. It's good. Then it's also good. If num equal to 0, then what will happen? Nothing element are present, so return are 0. No any element are present, no any sequence are considered, then return 0. Return 0. Int sequence equal to 0. It's good. One, at least one element, so one element are present, then one sequence are considered. If two elements are present and both are sequence, then two, then at least starting with one. It's no any element are present, then 0. It's at least one element are present, then sequence is 1. So starting with sequence is 1. For int I equal to 0, I is less than not announce n minus 1 I plus plus. It's good. 1 minute.